Hi, welcome to our channel. In this video I'll show you how to clean your USB charging port on your Huawei Nova 9 SE using household items. So remember, never use metal objects to clean the connector so as not to damage the moisture protection and the charging mechanism itself. I suggest you use an old toothbrush which you no longer use. So, as you can see, there is something in my charging port that's preventing the charging cable from going all the way into the connector, and now we are going to try to clear it. So to get it out, you first have to take the cover off and take the brush in your hand. Then gently insert one part of the brush into a connector and gently try to pry the dirt out. So, that's all. Thank you for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye! See you!